making sorrel plant. You want a flower? It's nice. My hibiscus right there coming back. Probably won't be no flower though. That thing just took off. It's beautiful. Made me want some hibiscus tea. You got one from the open right there. The roses. I'm doing alright. Struggling kinda. They real finicky. Real picky like. It's the only thing about them roses. Real picky. I think he just needs some more room to grow. Bud hanging out right there. My grapes. Grapes though, they probably need some fertilizer or something. I really don't know how to grow these things. But they keep dying, they keep trying, so that's a good thing. Gotta figure out what I'm doing wrong. It's probably the soil pH or something. Ain't no telling. Probably need to add something to it. Yeah, these are grapes. Gotta figure out why they're not liking the environment. And still got new growth, but it's kind of like not all that good. Did my research on those. Alright, what else we got here? Got some weeds. They're struggling too. Some kale. Got some stuff out here.